Hi, I'm Rachana. I'm a chef, a food therapist, and a nutrition educator, and you are watching The Good Tiffin. The Good Tiffin brings you fortified recipes which are tasty, delicious, and healthy. Now, fortified means we are adding that extra dose of goodness in terms of micronutrients like your important vitamins and minerals. Now, these micronutrients you can add by adding some simple, commonly available ingredients that are present right in your kitchen. Today, we are going to make dhansak. It's originally a Parsi dish. Here, this is a vegetarian version which we are going to fortify with curry leaves and flax seeds. Now, dhansak is a protein-rich, delicious recipe. It has a mix of lentils and pulses and also some vegetables. So it's a one bowl meal which gives you all the nutrients possible, and it's very delicious. It can be had with steamed rice or whole wheat paratha or pao. So why curry leaves and flax seeds? Curry leaves are an excellent source of vitamin A, beta carotene, iron, calcium, and also omega 3. And flax seeds are an excellent source of omega 3, something vegetarians don't get enough from their daily diet. Curry leaves here are used in powder form. Why? Because when we add curry leaves in our dals and sabzis, we remove them. We do not eat them. Here, by adding them in a powder form, we are actually going to consume those curry leaves and going to benefit from the micronutrients present in these leaves. So let's get started and make this delicious, beautiful recipe. Like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon and never miss a single easy, healthy and delicious recipe from the Good Tiffin.